Alright guys, today's hair, we have Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. Let's get into this wig, and the hair is disinfected already. Oh my god. Wig is Kinky Curly, 20 inches. We are gonna look at it, and it's a lace front wig. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the hair. This is how it looks. I love the lace. I can already tell that the lace is gonna look so good on my scalp. Oh, this is the first time I'm wearing a Kinky Curly hair, and I think the cap will fit. It also comes with a adjustable band. Oops, wow. Which it doesn't matter what size your head is, you can adjust this band. We're gonna go ahead and add some foundation to the lace. Look at that lace. This is how the inside look. This is the length. Because it's a Kinky Curly, you guys already know. And I'm excited to put this on. I think I want to do a side part. What do you guys think? So let's get into this. We're gonna add makeup to the lace. Guys, the lace is absolutely amazing. So we're gonna add makeup to the lace, and this is how I do it. Alright guys, so it's time for us to add the wig to the head. We went ahead and we put the makeup on. Look at that. Like I said, this is the first time wearing a Kinky Curly hair, and it looks really good. Let's see how this fits. The band is already on, so see, this is what I like with these wigs. There's not too much lace, whereas you can put the wig on. I'm not gonna use a wig cap, guys, because we're doing this glueless. So we're just gonna measure it up on our head just to make sure it fits, and then cut the excess lace off first. And this is pretty good. I think I want to do a side part. Let it come down like this. Part it right here, and then we're gonna brush it out. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a side part. But I love the lace. It is pre-plucked, so we don't have to do a lot. Once I'm done, once I do the install, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck some more. So if you guys look, we're just gonna cut some off at the side right here, and we don't need to cut off a lot because it fits the head, and the wig is snug. It is snug at the back. As I can, so it is beginner friendly for you guys. When I tell you, I gotta speak on this hair, okay? I love it, absolutely love it. Love it. The lace is everything. You guys didn't see me plot the lace, and this is by far, I think, one of my best lace. No cap. Okay, we're gonna eat this up a little bit more. So we are gonna start our makeup and let this hair dry, and then I'm gonna come back with you guys. Hopefully it's dry. If not, later on I'll insert a clip where you guys can see the full effect. But let me show you. Oh, I like it. First time wearing this curl, so we are gonna get the makeup done and I'll be back. Makeup is done. It's time to see how the hair looks, and I'm feeling this way. Let's take it off. Ooh, lace wear. Huh? Oh my God. Nadula Hair, you did this. Let me tell you guys something. I kid you not. This lace is one of the best lace I've installed so far. One off, alright? And I absolutely love it. I didn't have to plot the lace or anything. We made some natural looking baby hair. But I love the wig. This is the first time wearing a wig like this. I can't wait to show it to my husband. I'm pretty sure he's gonna love it. So this is it, guys. Kinky curly in 20 inches from Nadula Hair. Everything will be in the description right down below. The direct link to this hair will be there. You can choose whatever hair from their site, but I love the lace, so therefore I recommend the wig. So let's get into this slow-mo and keep on watching. Don't forget to click the link.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.